Tata is about Tata and bye bye.
Rarely Tata.
Rarely Tata. They always welcome and they look after you. That is the best part of it.
And they believe in quality rather than quantity.
Okay, they believe in quality and all. That is what.
More in quality.
Yeah. Now you must have heard about Tata Nano.
Compromise.
Nanos and all. No compromise. Yes, no compromise. Because when you see the movie now, you will really get tears in your eyes. I have seen for 3-4 times when I generally get really what. No, that is up to your feeling. I am not making you cry. I feel that is what. Because how they have achieved those excellence, we cannot imagine. We are totally zero. They are also like us. But how much efforts they have put in, you can just visualize. And many of them, even I also till today not know many of the things. I keep on revising. But when you see, actually just see what they have done through the ages. So I will just take you through some of the thought process. So half an hour I will take you through the thought process about Tatas, and then we will see a movie. That is about an hour.
1 hour?
Yeah, 1 hour.
Very good.
Achha, I thought you want to leave. 1 hour means as if. I thought only I will.
To bring the bad also, yeah.
The first audience he has seen 1 hour means it's a short while. The 1 hour means they try to quit. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for your thoughts, sir. And Tata. Before I start, they say Tata. So it is a good. Always you should have a time. As I earlier said, in the past we had time but no watch. But today we have watch but no time. Everybody is hurrying, running, and that is why we are under stress. So that is why Tata's as you must.
Nobody knows why they are running.
Yes, nobody knows, but they are running. That's all. Where they are ending, where they are going, no aim, and जितना मिले उतना कम. More is less. कुछ को लाख रुपए मिलता है वो भी कम पड़ता है, जिसको 10 लाख का पगार है वो भी कम है बोलता है. अभी now how much parity? हाँ? वही है. So that is why Mahatma Gandhi has said that the earth has everything for the man's needs, but not for his greed. Everybody has become the greedy. जितना पॉकेट भरे उतना भरो. ओवरफ्लो भी होगा तो बास्केट लाएगा, नहीं तो घनी बैग लाएगा. अरे भाई इतना की जेब में. दिस इज अ रियल फैक्ट. इफ यू रियली सी एंड ऑब्जर्व ना, तो यू विल कम टू नो द नेचर ऑफ ह्यूमन. Not satisfying ever. So the 3 tenets of Zoroastrian religion, as everybody must be knowing, sir. Tatas professing 3 tenets: Humatta, Hukta, Horashtra. Good thoughts, good words, good deeds. These are the 3 basic tenets, and the Zoroastrians are the worshipper of fire. So that is the medium through which they connect through Ahura Mazda. That is the Lord Almighty. So fire is the main source of energy. Whichever houses, I think in Agni also, in Hindus also, they call Agni. So everybody has got that worshipping of fire in one way or the other. And it says leadership does not come with position. It comes with the way you think. Always everything, attitude, your aptitude, your mindset is how you think. So that is what the Tatas have thought about years ago, that we will be seeing in the movie. What were their vision, their perception. And success and excuses don't walk together. If you want success, forget about excuses. If you want excuses, then forget about success. Because every time, I remember when I was a director in a management school, so students used to come late. They used to prepare projects and all very late and all. I asked him, why are you late? He says, my taxi tire got punctured. One boy was so nervous. He says, my train tire got punctured. Train में भी था इतना. Oh, sorry sir. मतलब what is this? So excuses के लिए I have got the वो magnum carta बोलते हैं ना. There are a list of excuses, and that too I will give you timely excuses, sir. At what point what excuse to be given? मेरे पास list बनाया हुआ है अभी तो. So no excuses. If you want success, totally zero excuses, zero tolerance. नहीं तो you cannot progress like what Tatas have done. आइए sir. So first and foremost, zero excuses. कभी भी कुछ भी, इधर भी आएगा, लेट हो गया सर, ट्रेन लेट हो गया, बस लेट हो गया, टैक्सी. Then you start half an hour early, 1 hour early. If you think that you are going to be congested on a road jam, start early.
If you are late, but don't open your mouth.
And yes, and discipline you will learn from JRD. He will be always 5 minutes early, but not 5 minutes late. that we will learn from that. Tata's. These are the thing, learning. This I am sharing with you some of the thoughts. And then profit also word is mentioned. I will come back. Then matured leadership. Stand up to be seen, speak up to be heard, and shut up to be appreciated. Best here. Whatever you want to talk, talk it in a crux and then keep silence. Abide in silence. That speaks volumes. Silence is golden, as we say, no? So that will speak volume. And don't walk in front of me, I shall not follow. Don't walk behind me, I shall not lead. Walk by my side. Together we can achieve the goal. That is what Tatas have achieved. That is called inspiring leadership. A leader, true leader, will inspire. He will not teach you, he will not follow you, he will not lead you, but he will inspire you to do. That is why we get inspiration from JRDY, discipline, because he himself has got instilled in himself. That is point of discipline. That is what we will see. So first you have to, what is said, practice and then preach. So that is what they do. Tata's nurturing excellence in an organization, motivating the staff at all levels. See what have they done? Good organization culture. Everywhere, if you want to have a good plant, you have to maintain, culture it. You have to look after it. So what they do after? Human capital, matured leadership, good work environment, learning potentiality. Everybody has to learn from grassroots level to the executive level. Then good growth prospects, good emoluments and perks. After all, everybody, again, we say in Bhagavad Gita, karam karo, phal ki chinta mat karo. But everybody is after phal. पहला फल देखेगा, बाद में एक्शन. नहीं, कर्म नहीं. That is why our actions get deteriorated, because our aim is at फल. So that also Tata is looking up to. आपका फल भी देखता है, चिंता नहीं करने का आपको. And promotional avenues. That is what you want to also grow as a human. Then corporate governance and corporate image, branding, building what we see about Tatas today. Jamshedji Narsarwanji Tata, what he says, lift up the best and the most gifted so as to make them of greatest service to the country. They never looked after their own self. You will find in the movie, they thought about the country as a whole. Are you aware why this Tata Taj Mahal Hotel was formed, made by Tata's? Why it came up? Anybody?
100 years back.
100 years back. But why was it erected by Tatas?
Indians were not allowed.
Indians and dogs were not allowed.
Yeah.
What we try to do now, if somebody tells you you are not allowed, then we go and fight with the watchman. कैसा नहीं अंदर जाने देता है, मैं अंदर जाऊंगा. He did not bother, he did not budge an inch. He created another one. There was a Watson Hotel which will be shown in the movie. Watson Hotel के साम बाजू में he made this, and today this is the world class, one of the world class. So how, this is what called vision. हम लोग fight करते हैं, no fighting. Try to shift your vision and created this. So this is what you see Taj Mahal Hotel today. Then profit word, which will be coming in the movie, he says profit is a dirty word. Never use profit. Profit means it's a businessman. They are not businessmen, they are industrialists, mind well. So they say what is coming from the society to be plowed back to the society. And not in one or two, but in abundance. That will be seen. Kabir Bedi is having a voiceover in the movie, so you will hear him speaking. So corporate social responsibility, now I think government has made it compulsory under Companies Act and all. But earlier thoughts, they already seeds were sown by Tatas. What you see today in Jamshedpur, na? How this Jamshedpur has come up, you will just come across the movie. The guiding principles of JRD. He says nothing worthwhile is ever achieved without deep thought and hard work. So first and foremost, you have to put in your hard work. ऊपर वाला कुछ नहीं करेगा. You have to do your own. And आपको जितना मिलना है वो देगा आपको. पर हार्ड वर्क आपको करना है, उससे ज़्यादा भी नहीं देगा ना. जनरली वी गो टू द टेम्पल्स ना, मेरे को दो, उसको मत दो, सब मेरे को ही दे दो. ऐसा कैसे चलेगा? वी आर, यू आर द क्रिएटर ऑफ अल्मा मेटर, एम आई राइट? ऑल एवरीबडी. सो ही विल प्रोवाइड यू व्हेन एवर एंड व्हाट टाइम. बोलता है समय से पहले और वक्त से पहले और समय से ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला आपको. सो एवरीबडी योर डेस्टिनी होगा, उतना ही मिलेगा. पर आप पीछे पीछे भागते रहेगा तो कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. स्ट्रेस नहीं, स्ट्रेस मिल, वो स्ट्रेस मिलेगा. देन यू हैव टू कम टू दिस सेशन. नहीं तो मेरे पेट पे भी लाट होगा। मैं अभी बोलूँगा स्ट्रेस, सब लोग बोलते हैं नहीं सब स्ट्रेस नहीं है हम लोग, तो अभी तुम्हारा भाषण कौन सुनेगा? सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न, इधर ज़्यादा ऑडियंस आएगा। So your deep thought, 3 thoughts as we said, na? Good thoughts, good words, good deeds. Humata, Hukta, Haurashta. So these are the 3 tenets, principles which Tatas have adopted, and even everybody has adopted. Parsis and all of you see, that is the 3 tenets. And in every religion, that is in a different way, format. So one must forever strive for excellence or even perfection in any task, however small, and never be satisfied with second best. He said always you should strive for excellence. Excellence, excellence and nothing else. Even Steve Jobs says don't chase success. Chase excellence. Success will follow. Go for excellence, not for success. Success is a secondary part. First you do your job. That is one action. Put your action first. Success will always follow you. No success or achievement in material terms is worthwhile unless it serves the needs of interest of the country and is achieved by fair and honest means. So always business is to be done in a honest and a good spirit. Fair and honest means. नहीं तो business what we try to do, government का taxes सब बचाने का अभिनव LBT वाला. Why? Because government is bringing them into the network of a. So now they want to get rid of it. The local based tax is coming now. So now government has thought that all the money is being siphoned out. So now they want to bring it into the network. So that is why they are on strike. But slowly one day or the other it will be coming into the net. It will take some time because when you take money from my pocket, so obviously I get a pinch. So slowly steady it will be going ahead, but it will be good for the country. So that is the another one. Then excellence ka just see how just J.R.D. Tata has given. Somebody asked him, sir, how do you define excellence? So excellence, he has said, when I was flying high up in the sky for the first time, I looked down upon and I saw the biggest buildings, not the factory, even larger hills and rivers appeared like a mere lines. The mountains like a real dot. जैसे कहावत है ना, अब आया ऊँट पहाड़ के नीचे. Camel was thinking I am the only tallest one, but when he came near the mountain, he could see कि मैं कितना छोटा हूँ. So everybody thinks हम लोग बहुत बड़ा. No, nobody is. Even Tata thinks he is as a. जितना height पे जाएगा उतना it is less and less. वो कहते हैं ना, अगर आपको हमारी उड़ान देखनी हो तो आपको आसमान और भी ऊंचा करना पड़ेगा. So जितना भी आप जाएंगे तो और कम के कम हो गया. Till you breathe the last. So nobody can say I have achieved the height, pinnacle of success. Qualities of a leader by J.R.D. If I have any merit, it is getting along with individuals according to their ways and characteristics. How many of us will go along with our individuals? Not in our family. Family may be, they will not be going into the same direction. Am I right? We will be in the opposite direction. So what he says, individual ko you should try to come together. That is why Tata's family, why they call family, why people are sticking to that family. नहीं तो generally what they try to do ना, we तो jumping. Youngsters they come to one company and go to the other. दूसरा टाइम दूसरा ही देखेगा किधर ज़्यादा पैसा मिलेगा. But they will not leave Tatas. Why? Because it is again the well knit. They look after them. So this is the first basic things of a true leader. Then at times it involves suppressing yourself. It is painful but necessary to be a leader. It is not an easy thing bringing people and going into that direction. Leader, you have to got to lead human beings with affection. हमारे family भी we don't live with affection. Only when you have got love, love, unconditional forgiveness. Who has said that? One of the Mother Teresa. Unconditional love, unconditional forgiveness. She never asked for money anytime. She has not gone, give me money. People were pouring in money because of her action. And today she is treated as a saint. So only action. We have to do our action. Money. Mahatma Gandhi says, don't worry about money. You have got plenty of it. Means will follow. Only find purpose. Your means will follow. What is your purpose? What is your aim? What is your goal? So everything will be put into place. You need not have to worry. But your aim, your goal should be very targeted. This was given in 1904, born, and 29 November 1993. That is his quote of JRD. Then he has said, we pledge to sustain his legacy of patriotism, happy India. He says no rich India but a happy India it should be. I do not want India to be an economic superpower, but I want India to be a happy country. That is the main thing. Superpower, money power, your strength, that is not required. But whether first and foremost all the Indians, the countrymen are happy or not, that is the first place. Whether you fulfill whatever you have come here for, that has been there. Fighting, power and all will be the secondary. But whether you are able to have your peace of mind, whether you are able loving to love human beings, that is the main thing. So happy country. JRD, Jo Raha Dikhaye. JRD. It is acronym for that Hindi mein. Jo Raha Dikhaye. So this is 104th birthday of JRD, Bharat Ratna, in falling on July 29, 2008. I don't want India to be an economic superpower. I want that we have seen. JRD wanted India to be relieved of pains and sorrows and make India a happy country and a paradise for us to live in. Blissful, divine. That is what is paradise. Everything we say, na, heaven or hell, it is not there up. Upar kuch nahi hai. Everything is here. Whether you want heaven out of hell or hell out of heaven is up to you. वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं. हम लोग सब अभी ऊपर ही सोचते हैं. जनरली बोलते हैं ना हम लोग को अभी ना 7 जन्म तक. अभी तो एक जन्म फेरा लेते हैं तो सब लोग गुल हो जाते हैं. किधर गया दूल्हा, तो छूट के भाग गया. 7 जन्म तो छोड़ो. एम आई राइट मैडम? 7 जन्म तक तो अभी तो यही जन्म उसका मुंह नहीं देखना है. तो 7 जन्म तो अभी बहुत लॉन्ग टाइम. अर्लियर बोलते थे ना मैं आपका 7 जन्म तक साथ रहूँगी. यस सर.
अभी एक जन्म
इधर देखते हैं दोनों. यस सर. 7 सर. आई रिस्पेक्ट यू. मैं उनको चरण छूना चाहता हूँ सर. मैं उसका स्पर्श करना चाहूँगा कि अभी भी मौजूद है ऐसा. नहीं तो जहाँ पे भी जाता हूँ सब एक टाइम ही मेरे को बस हो गया सर. दूसरा जन्म तो छोड़ो अभी ना. 7 लाइफ्स. वो तो 7 फेरे लेते हैं ना सर. उतने में देखा दूल्हा भाग गया या तो दुल्हन भाग गई. किधर गया? तो इतना फास्ट लाइफ है. एवरीबडी वांट्स फास्ट फूड ना. अभी वो डोमिनिक पिज़्ज़ा, देन मैकडोनल्ड्स, एवरीथिंग बर्गर. अभी इंडियन भी बर्गर आ गया. बटाटा वड़ा, वो बड़ा बिग जंबो किंग क्या बोलते हैं. सो व्हाई नॉट दे मेक. वो भी बड़ा ही है पर दे कॉल इट बर्गर. हम लोग स्मैश करके बटाटा वड़ा पण वी टेक उसका 25-50 रुपया वी पे. पण दैट इज देयर वे ऑफ सेलिंग इट. There is one more beautiful writings by none other than philanthropist and doyen of building credible India, Sir Jamsetji Tata. Can you read this message or should I read out? 1902 Jamsetji Tata wrote from US to his son Dorab, who was looking after Jamshedpur project. Be sure to lay wide streets planted with shady trees. Be sure there is plenty of space for lawns and gardens. Reserve large areas for football, hockey and parks. Earmark areas for Hindu temples, Mohammedan mosques and Christian churches. Such rendering cannot come from any regulatory stipulation, but flows from selfless love for Aura and his creation, from a liberal interpretation of Zarathustra's message. So that is what they have taught it earlier. Now we are doing it by legislation, compulsory. When government says do it, we do it. But he says, it does not come from the regulatory stipulation. Nobody should regulate. You have to do on your own. That is how the leader is. Selfless love of Aura and make this. He has not said to build fire temples. He has seen the other communities. Because when we landed Parsis, as you know, we landed from the Persia into Sanjan. Are you aware of the Parsi story? So Gujarat se, Sanjan mein. So there is a milk. So Jadi Rana was the king. When we landed there, they said, no, I don't have any space for you. You are aliens. How can you stay here? So he says, no, we will stay here, sir. So bolta hai, then you will have to prove and all. So he says, Jari Rana brought a full bowl of milk. बोलते हैं my entire area is full, I cannot put you here. So one of our priests who was a leader, he just brought one handful of sugar and added into it. And he said, see sir, it has melted also and it has not overflown. We will stay like that. So that Parsi story, sugar in a milk, you must have heard about. It's a fact. So everybody, no community or caste or if affected, have you seen? It's a very minuscule community, but staying together. And that is why, because of the build mosques, temples and churches. This is thought in 1902, not now. You got a point? So this is what the thought process. Everybody should think from the other's point of view. We always talk about selfish. हम मेरा बच्चा क्या करेगा, मेरा बच्चा पहला आएगा तो उसका बच्चा क्या लास्ट आएगा, ऐसा नहीं. दूसरा बच्चा पहला आएगा ऐसा नहीं बोलेगा. मेरा बच्चा पहला आना मांगता है, मेरा बच्चा ये होना मांगता है, स्कॉलरशिप मेरे बच्चे को. पर देन उसके बच्चे तो सभी जन है ना. whosoever gets it. We should not get jealous. When other student gets, ना we feel jealous. उसने कुछ पैसा खिलाया, उसने कुछ ये किया, हमको नहीं मिला करके. So don't get. Anybody can get it ना. It is that hey, you go into competition and whosoever gets it, don't get jealous. Let it be. उसको मिला क्या है? हाँ? Enjoy. पर नहीं, हम लोग को jealous ही हो गया. इसने कैसा किया, कौन सा रास्ते से गया, किसको खिलाया, all those things. Don't think. And has anybody stopped you from doing that? आप भी करो ना पहला, वो रास्ता ढूंढो. पर वो नहीं, दूसरे को मिलने के बाद हम लोग जेलस होएगा. वो कैसा किया ऐसा, वो तो थर्ड क्लास है, उसको कैसा स्कॉलरशिप मिला, वो तो फेल है. ऑल दोस थिंग्स, डोंट डू दैट. whosoever is given ना, they have committee has decided, they have seen, okay, it is his luck. Why should we again go? उसको डीप में जाएगा, कमिटी वालों को बोलेगा ये तो फेलियर है, मेरे पास सर्टिफिकेट, उसका सर्टिफिकेट उसके पास होगा. अरे why do you keep his certificate with me? It is his look. पर फिर भी मैं देखा, मेरे को मालूम है ये फेल है, ये है. अरे पण let him go ना, if he has got it. So whosoever get is, don't get jealous. Again you will get your self stress. हमको होगा, उन लोग को कुछ नहीं होता है. When you think about others na negativity, you get negativism. So always think positive. So you get a positive attitude. That is a short story. Anybody aware of that? Ratan Tata's ka. The flat tire. The lesson to be learned from that. One of the Ratan, can you read, sir? 5 minutes? Can you? Is it readable? You just read. Readable from that? Ratan Tata golden rule. I take the decision and make them right. Decisions are, whether it is right or wrong, decisions are decisions, either this side or this side. You cannot sit on the fence and decide. Either you go this side or that side. So decision you have to take. It's not right decision or wrong. Generally we say, na, is it a right decision or wrong? There is no right or wrong decision. You take the decision, and whether it is right or no, that is up to one's own ear. So thank you very much. So now we will see